Just pulled up. Been a few days since we got back with Big White, and it was a little chaotic, so I didn't have much time to really kind of talk about the bus. And I still, as I walk through like thorns over here, this isn't a good idea. I gotta come out here and weed whack. My buddy's kind enough to let us park this baby here. But I didn't have a lot of time to really get into details, and I got to go to a rehearsal here in a few minutes, so I just popped in on the way in. But I got a lot of questions about what is it, or I got a lot of congrats messages. So it's essentially a 1990 Prevost Liberty coach, 45-footer, Detroit 8V92 engine in the back, which kind of is, some people are big into the 8V92s, some people aren't because it's an older engine or whatever, but it's definitely the most coveted sounding and very, very powerful engine. So we ended up going with it because, well, it just felt like the right one. We were looking for a number of years and very, very thorough with this. I think this is probably the 5th bus that I actually drove before making a decision, and we had checked ones in North Carolina, we checked one in Pennsylvania, so it was definitely a long, arduous, but very rewarding process in the end. And special shout out to Autobank RV sales for their help with everything. And yeah, Big White is big, but a real joy to drive. Still kind of getting the hang of it, but survived the drive back from Greenville, South Carolina, coming back on I-85 with all the crazy drivers in Charlotte. If you're from Charlotte, I don't mean it personally, but you guys are kind of crazy. So anyway, I got to get to this rehearsal. Still got to get the real plates on this thing. But we'll do a walk around inside. I know it's going to be 95 degrees in there because it's been sitting here for a few days, and I just don't have time to start the generator up and get the AC going. So more to come. But just look at this chrome, man. They don't make coaches like this anymore. They just don't. And that was one of the main reasons that I went with an older model. Number one was because of the price. You try and get one of these that's 15, even 10, 15, 20 years old, you're going to be paying probably 5 to 10 times the amount. So we're being reasonable here. But it doesn't look like a 1990. All right, anyway, I'm done flexing. Beautiful coach. All right, guys. More to come. Thanks for all your support. A lot of people have been asking, when are you getting the bus up here? When's it finally getting up here? Well, it's up here now. Took a bit. Oh, that's a beautiful breeze. See you on the next video.